In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide comments in Jira by using comment restrictions. This feature is particularly useful when you want to control who can see certain information in your projects. Whether you're dealing with sensitive project details or simply want to keep your discussions organized and ensure that only relevant team members are involved, these steps will guide you through the process of setting up comment restrictions in Jira. To start, let's head over to the Jira settings. You can find this by clicking the cog icon located in the top right corner of your Jira dashboard. This is your gateway to customizing various aspects of Jira, allowing you to tailor it precisely to your project's needs. Once you're inside the settings, you'll want to navigate to the section labeled System. Here, you'll find a range of system-wide settings, everything from notifications to configurations that can be fine-tuned to suit your operational requirements. On the left-hand menu, you will notice several options listed. Here, you should select General Configuration. Entering this section allows you to adjust an array of settings, including those that define how comments function within your Jira environment. Look for the option that says Edit Settings, which you'll see at the top right of your screen. Clicking here opens up a new set of choices that you can configure to your liking. Next, direct your attention to the Comment Visibility option. This is the critical setting that decides who can view comments made on Jira issues. Once you've located this option, you will see choices that include Groups and Project Roles or Project Roles Only. By selecting Groups and Project Roles, you have the flexibility to restrict comment visibility by assigning them to specific user groups or project roles. This option is especially beneficial for larger teams where roles and responsibilities might intersect across various projects. Alternatively, selecting Project Roles Only will limit restrictions to defined roles within each individual project, giving you more focused control over comment visibility. After making your choice on how you want to handle comment visibility, don't forget to scroll down and click on the Update button. This step is crucial, as it ensures your new settings are saved and implemented. Now that you've configured the general settings for comment restrictions, let's take a closer look at how you can apply these restrictions on individual issues. When adding a comment to an issue, you'll notice a lock icon making an appearance. Clicking on this lock icon enables you to set specific visibility conditions for that particular comment. You can then determine which groups or project roles are allowed to view it. And just like that, you've ensured that only the specified audience can access the information you share, keeping your project communications both secure and streamlined. Thanks for watching today's video, and happy project managing.